Welcome to the Internet Valued Spectator. This is Leo Film. I am Leo. I have decided to end my streak of non-video producing for Warboss Tate 2021 February Painting Challenge and paint some of my minis to chip away a bit at my pile of shame. Now, you might be wondering, of course, why this video is released in January if it's a February Painting Challenge, and the answer is simple. This is the 2021 February Painting Challenge Bootcamp. The idea is for everyone who takes part in the 2021 February Painting Challenge to get into the habit of releasing video updates before the actual challenge starts. Now, you might be wondering, of course, why is Leo stitching together a video with nothing but crappily drawn black and white pictures? The answer is, my camera sucks. Now, you might be wondering, of course, how is this going to work if everything is just crappily drawn black and white pictures? The answer is, I'll work on a better camera for showcasing my minis. So, today is day 1 of the 2021 February Painting Challenge Bootcamp. And the daily question reads as follows. How did you hear about the February Painting Challenge? If you're a veteran of the Warboss Tate Hobbiton Crusade, how many challenges have you taken part in? See, I am a long-time subscriber to Warboss Tate's channel and I watched his announcement video. However, it is the first time I am taking part in any of his challenges. In fact, I never really got what this whole Hobbiton business is about. Alright, we're done here for now. Click all the buttons if that's your thing, and if you absolutely must leave a comment, don't be a douche canoe.